Is there a baby inside there?
Why do you want to crawl on top of your toes?
I see a baby.
Be careful.
Uh-oh, what is this baby doing? Grabbing onto the crib. Pulling herself up.
Whoa!
Oh, she made it.
So strong.
Oh no.
Where
Look
you
what you
wanna go?
did. Look what you did. That's a good job, baby. Good job. Good job. Okay, bye. Baby, are you standing in the crib? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're in trouble. I had to lower it already. I think it's supposed to go to your neck. Let's see how this baby does in her crib. Standing. Uh-oh. What you doing? Are you standing? Is that fun? Yeah. Don't fall backwards. That's gonna hurt. Don't hit your head. Yes. Let's see if this baby standing. What's happening down here? Standing on her toesies. What? Yeah. Standing. Can you walk along the edge? Can you come down here? Or are you stuck? Can you move? You just stand there. Can you come down here? Let's see it. Can you move along the edge? So you lift your leg. What else can you do? Can you make it? Can you make it over here? No? You're just happy to stand. Did you know that this is your nap time? Oh, there's something. Uh-oh. Gotta move your feet when you move your hands down. Yeah. So you're moving your feet. You move your feet down. Take a step sideways. Yeah. And then move your arms sideways. Both hands. Good job, baby. Good job. Yeah. Here they come. Here they come. Are you stuck there? I can move. Let's see it. Come down here. 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 Come over here. Come this way. Oh, careful. Both hands on the wheel. Come down. No spitting. Okay. Good enough for today. Great job. Great job. Good one. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.